Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to jump a Kia Telluride. First, make sure you have a set of reliable jumper cables and a second vehicle with a fully charged battery. Park the working vehicle close enough so the cables can reach both batteries, but do not let the vehicles touch. Turn off both engines and engage the parking brakes for safety. Open the hood of your Kia Telluride and locate its battery. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. Take one red positive clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your Kia Telluride's dead battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. This sequence is crucial for a safe jump start. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Kia Telluride, away from the battery. This creates a ground connection. Now, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to transfer some charge. After this brief charging period, try to start your Kia Telluride. If it starts, let it run for at least 15 minutes. Once your Kia Telluride is running, disconnect the jumper cables in the reverse order of connection. First, remove the black negative clamps, then the red positive clamps. Drive your vehicle for at least 20 minutes to allow the alternator to fully recharge the battery. If your car struggles to start again, it might be time for a new battery or a check of your charging system. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.